I have to wake up. I have to start my job. Stop getting sad. I have to take my PTSD and depression pills. I am so sad right now. I have to do my depressing work. I have to go on Simon. Time to go in my truck. Hopefully no problems. Start up my queen, please start up, this is very important. Start UPPPPPP. I have to got to hurry this mate. In it quite splendid, without a cup of tea. I have to start backloading this. I have to do this quickly. Let's go. Doing this job is depressing. I have to drive for 12 hours straight. Besides, I don't have enough money to reserve a hotel. My wife died, and my son is in my house with no education. I want to go to the good old days, when everyone was happy. I miss my wife. Being a truck driver is my only choice to put food on the table. It is now night time. It is 11 o'clock at night. I have 5 more hours to go. I hope I will not crash. The Z highway is the craziest. Boss, oh God, here it comes. I expect you to work until 6 a.m. Drive faster, I need money. Besides, I don't care about you. You don't care about me besides you. Shut up and go back to work. If you crash, I don't care, it's not my flipping problem. Hard-headed. I'm sorry, Edward. My hand is full of blisters. I cannot go to a hotel. I miss the good times, my friends. I see the factory. Time to unload. I'm going to my house. I miss the old times. My wife still alive, my son happy when he was 2. I miss them. I need to find a way to snap out of this. Cries.